How do you feel about this? A new study out shows how eager most Utahns are to get back to live, in-person performances.
A lot of people are anxious for this. Fox 13's Diego Romo shows us what venues can do to rebound and bring the audiences back safely.
Y2 Analytics surveyed more than 1,000 people around the state. They found that while people are currently less comfortable going to live entertainment and cultural events than visiting retail shops and restaurants, more than half say they anticipate feeling more comfortable in the next 6 months.
We really see that hesitancy dissipate over the next 3 to 6 months, with 90% of voters being interested in returning within the next year.
The impacts of pandemic restrictions have hit Utah's arts and culture industry hard. According to Y2's findings, the industry lost more than $76.5 million and more than 25,000 workers lost their jobs in the last year, the vast majority being gig and independent contract workers.
It will take 3 to 5 years for our industry to recover from the losses that we have incurred.
Gibbs says COVID-19 case counts, vaccination rates, and public health policies are largely driving the hesitancy in the community. Y2 found that respondents are currently most comfortable with outdoor events and activities and are even more open to outdoor events as we move further into the summer.
Certainly there's some signs that we're going to rebound and voters are eager to re-engage and spend more participating in these activities going forward.
So what can arts and culture venues do now to get people more comfortable with live and in-person programming? Y2 says sanitization has the biggest impact on consumer confidence.
That definitely is top of mind and something that we would recommend based on these findings that is a practice that's continued at least for the next year.
The survey found that people are most excited for the return of festivals, cultural events, and parades, with plays and live theater performances falling not far behind.
We see that people are comfortable in restaurants where you get kind of closer and you take your mask off. Sitting in a theater a couple seats away with a mask on is just as safe. So if you have missed this, come back. This is the time to start to return, and there are things happening.
The focus for many arts groups around the state this summer will be outdoor programming. You can find a full list of arts and cultural events at Now Playing Utah's website. We'll link you over at fox13now.com. In Salt Lake City, Diego Romo, Fox 13 News, Utah.